a fish fund for sale. It's just this is the Barangay Road here in San Agustin, Talibon, Bohol. And there is a fish fund for sale. Total area of 6,000 square meter. And the price is 500,000 pesos. You know, so that's quiet a lot. Oh, pig. You're adventurous. You need to take a bath. Once the pig is not being inside the cage, they are happy pig. Yeah, so this is the fish fund. Nani buhi ya? So kaning usa. Yeah, so this one, this is the one that is for sale for 500,000 pesos. So corner to corner. Pero pag buhi ninyo ani, usa niyang gibuhi?
Bangos o banamig.
Banamig. Yeah, so they the last time they used this one, they put some milkfish and shrimp banamig.
40 mil banamig ya. 30 mil ag bangos.
Pila harvest ninyo ato?
Ni harvest ko ani og mo 20 kapin ka pum.
Pilay halin ato ya?
Ni halin og kuan, ni halin og gatos. Nililimpyo lang may og ikuha as porsyento sa nagbantay, nilimpyo na lang sa 60.
Yeah, so their harvesting the last time is the total is 100,000 less the caretaker and other expenses, so they got 60,000 net. You know, so this is very good. You know, imagine that your pila gani ka months ng isda ya? Una harvestan?
Tulo.
Yeah, so 3 months.
Ang kuan bangos tulo pero ang kuan kanang banami duha ra tunga.
Yeah, so if you're put some milkfish on this, it's only 3 months, and then you're able to harvest it and sell it